Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've seen something yesterday that made my blood absolutely boiling. Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit of a whingy one, but I do suggest you have a little listen. It won't be long. Yesterday, okay, I've seen an interview on the GB News with a presenter who was interviewing John McTernan, who is an ex-Labour and he is an ex-Tony Blair's advisor. That guy, excuse my French, was an absolute dickhead. Arrogant, horrible, mean, obnoxious dickhead. They were discussing farming, okay, and of course the current things, we know what currently is happening. So it kind of really opened up our eyes for people who are not potentially aware the whole hidden agenda of Labour and the farming. There's still some people there that actually believe that all this taxes, tax on the farmers, it's nothing more than just money grabbing thing. But that made you actually realize that it's generally the agenda of they do not want farmers. So I strongly suggest, guys, you have a look down the video. I put the link down below because I'm not sure what the copyright things are for me displaying this video. But okay, basically what he said in his interview, it's made me frankly really upset, and I'm sure like it made any other people, and especially farmers. So basically saying that if the farmers continue and go ahead with the protest, they can do to farmers what the Margaret Thatcher did for the coal miners. And if you're not aware, Margaret Thatcher pretty much fucked up the coal industry by shutting down a lot of mines. So his words were exactly, we will do for the farmers what Margaret Thatcher did for coal miners, okay? So it's a little bit of a threat, isn't it? And then he goes saying that actually we don't need small farmers. We will just close down the industry. This was his words. We don't need small farmers, then we'll just close down the industry. So if that doesn't make you upset, right? Farmers, small farmers, big farmers, they're all doing the job, right? This is somebody's livelihood. He just sat there with a smirk on his face, that arrogant face. You'll see this, honestly, watch that, you understand what I'm talking about. And they just arrogantly said that we don't need them. He was talking about somebody's job, somebody's livelihood, something that people have been doing for like many generations, and he just stamped on it. He just shut on it, just saying we're just gonna shut you down, like it means nothing, like it's a squashing a bug. Somebody's job, it just trampled on it, like it doesn't matter. Yeah, I know, I understand, they're talking about they want us eating bugs. This is the whole idea of the whole farming fiasco and closing down the farms. But to me, that was so upsetting. I heard this, I'm like, have you just really said that? You are a human freaking being, and you're just coming up with the words like this. Totally unacceptable. And this is clear. The agenda of Labour from the day one and for many years is to get rid of the farms. So if you can't see this, this is an absolute eye-opener, okay? They want them out, and it's clear as mud. They're not even disguising it. This is agenda. It's no longer a disguised agenda. He just came up with it. He just blurred it out, okay? We don't want you. We will just close you down. So I have no idea what on earth are they expecting to, what, I know they're talking about that we can import food because we don't need farmers. Well, to be fair, we all know what's been happening with the weather and the other countries. We're not going to be importing anything because the countries that are having those issues won't be exporting any food. But again, this is not the point. The point how this was addressed. To me, that was absolutely smack in the face, okay? So anyway, please guys, have a look at that video below. You can understand, okay, why the guys will be protesting and doing what they're doing. Because after even hearing that would make matters worse. And I don't think this is really circulated enough yet to make people really upset. We genuinely do need a farming revolution. So guys, watch the space. Anyway, as I said, link down below. Please watch that video. I really urge you to watch that. And yes, guys, excuse for the rant, needed to be done. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye.